In this video, we will talk about Bitsgap, which is actually a platform which allows you to set up your own profitable trading bots. First, a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video. And before we start, I do want to say that if you actually want to visit Bitsgap, then all of the links will be down in the description. So for now, let's actually get started with the topic. So like I said, Bitsgap actually allows you to set up your own crypto trading bots. And they have a huge amounts of bots compared to other providers of these trading bots. And you can actually connect them with your exchange and make some profits if you choose the right strategy. So in this video, we'll go over Bitsgap and I'll also show you how to actually set up your account, which right now you have a 7-day free trial, which is amazing, which actually still allows you to set up those bots, connect with your exchange and actually start trading with them already. So I'll show you how to sign up, I'll show you how to actually use them. But first, let's talk a little bit more about Bitsgap. So one of the most important things with these trading bot providers is that they are actually secure. Like there have been some trading bot providers which were not secure enough, and because you actually connect the trading bots with your cryptocurrency exchange, if the security is not good enough, then what they can actually do, hackers for example of that platform you're using, they can actually use your exchange account to open trades and for example buy up their own cryptocurrencies at a way higher price. So Bitsgap is the ideal partner for that, because Bitsgap is actually a very secure platform. So they will never touch your funds. Your funds will also always still be in your custody. It's safer than your internet bank, since all of their servers are encrypted with 2028 bit standard protocols and stored on a secure network protected by a firewall. And apart from that, they also have extra layers of security, which I and they would definitely recommend you to set up as well on the Bitsgap platform. So now let's actually get into a little bit more of the bots they have. So at this point of time, they have 5 different trading bots you can actually set up. 2 of which are for futures trading and 3 of them are for spot trading. So right now they have the grid trading bot, which you might know, which basically sells high and buys low in a certain grid. They have the DCA trading bot, so the dollar cost average strategy using a martingale strategy as well. They have the BTD trading bot, which stands for buy the dip. So in a downtrend, what it actually does is it buys at every dip, allowing you to gain a lower average entry. And then they have the 2 futures bots right now, the DCA futures trading bot and a combo trading bot. Combo trading bot is a dynamic combo between the grid strategies and DCAs, whereas the DCA futures trading bot is, like it says, it's a DCA trading bot, but then with futures, allowing you to leverage the positions as well. Now, right now they have a daily launched bots of over 2,500, and the average amount invested in those bots is almost 3,000. On their website, like I said, all of the links will be down in the description. You can also gain a nice overview of all of these bots, which one is the best for you to actually use, which one is spot, which one is futures, how do they work, do they have a stop loss and take profit enabled, those types of things. But now let's actually get into the platform, because I'll actually show you the platform and I'll show you how to sign up. Alright, so first of all, if you actually click the link down in the description, you have to sign up for a 7-day free trial. And don't worry, you don't have to fill in your credit card details, where if you forget it, they will actually charge you. No, it's 7-day free trial. And then after that, they will ask you, do you want to stay or not? So being honest about that, I think is a great thing, because that actually means that they trust their product. Now, once you have signed up for that free trial, you can go to the platform, which allows you to go to this platform right here. This is the platform where you will do all of the trading. So as you can see, the most important things you actually need are these 4 things up here. So you have your exchanges, trading, which you can see right here. So you can also do normal trading on their platform, and the magic sauce, the bots. You can also see the portfolio, but if you actually go to the bots, what you can see there is here at the top, you can start a new bot. So then you see the spot and the futures bots. So grid bot, DCA bot. For this video, let's actually set up a simple grid trading bot. But like I said, you have a great range of bots. If you actually press that, what you can see is that I already have a bot set up, but you have to connect your exchange. So for example, if you're using Binance, you can connect that. If you're using Kraken, KuCoin, it's all possible. Then you press the pair you actually want to trade, and they have a lot of pairs which you want to trade. So for example, let's say Cardano, and then, let's actually do Bitcoin, by the way, because there is some Bitcoin on this account. So if we do that, we can actually get started with that. So here you can actually see that we have Bitcoin, and then you can actually set up the grid trading bot. So you can also, they have an automatic one. You can also set one up for yourself. So manual adjustments to the trading bot. So you can actually create your own trading bot. So for example, right now, what you could say is that you want to trade high low in this range between 32,000, which is our main resistance, and 27,000, which is our support. And then you can just very easily, first of all, backtest to see if it actually worked in the past. And then you press continue, start bot, and it's as easy as that. Then if you have connected with your exchange, it will just run the bot and it will make automatic profits for you if you set it up correctly. All right, so with that, we have reached the end of this video. Once more, if you actually want to check out Bitsgap and all of the bots, all of the links will be down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.